My name is Paola Fratantoni. I'm a project manager and I've been involved in SEAWINGS as part of Zanasi and Partners. As a company, we are mostly involved in the user requirement collection and in understanding basically the applicability of SEAWINGS for defense purposes. How does SEAWINGS contribute to strengthening European maritime and aerial defense capabilities? So SEAWINGS is quite a unique asset because it's something in between a boat and a craft and has specific features like high speed, high payload capacity and energy efficiency that make it suitable for a different type of context, operational context and application. So basically with SEAWINGS we have one asset that is able to perform, to cover different type of tasks. And this is something that is in line also with a trend that we see at EU and national level, where countries are trying to invest into multi-purpose, multi-role assets like multi-purpose ships or multi-role crafts, multi-role jets. And in order to avoid duplication at European level, but also to increase interoperability. And in designing SEAWINGS, this is something that the consortium has taken into consideration. So the delivery and asset there is interoperable with existing European naval assets. How do you see the future SEAWINGS vehicle being used in real-world defense or security applications? So I think to answer this question, we should understand not just what SEAWINGS could do, but also where SEAWINGS could perform better than other assets, than existing assets. So SEAWINGS is a defense project, so of course its main applicability, its main application would be for defense purposes. And based on the research we've done and the consultation we had with naval experts, we've seen ISR, for instance, as one of the main applications, so intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, but also for logistic support or amphibious support to amphibious operations. SEAWINGS is also a dual-use nature, so could be applicable also for civilian operations, so could support, for instance, search and rescue in case of disasters. So it could be one potential use, or also commercial transport. That could be another type of application. One thing to be considered when evaluating the application of SEAWINGS or the possible future of SEAWINGS is also the operational context, because SEAWINGS is a type of technology that can perform greater, that can give good results in a specific environmental context that might be more challenging for other bigger or more expensive assets. For instance, if we think about coastal environment, or connection between islands, so where you have to cover or to transport goods, people for shorter distances, but you have to do it in an efficient way, so in terms of economic effort, but also environmental impact. So SEAWINGS could be also a solution that could support this type of application.